guys, I'm Esther from Spicy Vegan Food, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this delicious banana bread inspired oatmeal bake. It's super healthy, it's super easy to make, and it's the best way to use up all those. All right, let's get started with all of our ingredients. So first we have 2 cups of rolled oats. Usually I use the quick rolled oats. Then I have 2 cups of plant milk. You can use coconut, almond, whatever you like. 3 tablespoons of hemp hearts, that's optional. 3 tablespoons of ground flax, you definitely need that. Teaspoon of cinnamon, pinch of salt, pinch of nutmeg. We have 1/2 cup of dark chocolate chunks or chocolate chips, a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of vanilla, a 1/3 cup of natural peanut butter, a 1/4 cup of pure maple syrup, we're going to be using that as our sweetener, and 2 super ripe bananas. So first we're going to want to get out a 6x9 baking dish. This comes together really easily. We're basically just adding everything in here and mixing it together. So I've got my 2 super ripe bananas, so when they get brown, they get old, maybe you don't want to eat them, you can absolutely throw them in this instead of a banana bread. It just makes a really great breakfast. So first thing we're going to do is mash up those bananas. So we want them really well mashed just so that we can get an even banana flavor throughout the whole thing, so you can see how nicely mashed and how beautifully ripe those are. I'm going to grab a little piece here for my dog because she loves banana. And I'm going to add in my milk. I have coconut and almond milk here, a blend. I'm going to add in my teaspoon of vanilla. And my dog is patiently waiting for her little piece of banana. And don't worry, I washed my hands after giving that to her. And then I'm going to add in my 1/4 cup of pure maple syrup for sweetener. You could use brown sugar or agave or whatever instead if you like, or even some chopped up dates. Then I'm going to add in my 1/3 cup of peanut butter here, my all-natural peanut butter. You could use almond butter instead if you like. And I have my 3 tablespoons of flax seeds, which are going to be working in place of our egg. This is our vegan egg. It has our omegas, it has our healthy fats, fiber, all that good stuff. So I'm going to give the wet ingredients just a little bit of a mix with the flax to kind of start creating that flax egg. You don't really have to do that. You can mix it all in at once if you want. Now I'm going to start adding in my dried spices and my baking powder and my hemp hearts. And I'm going to add in my rolled oats. Now it's time to give that a really good mix around and make sure that all of the ingredients are super well mixed in here in our baking dish. So this is a 1-dish meal, 1-dish breakfast, which is what I absolutely love about it. It's so good to serve when you have guests or to do for meal prep. So I'm going to add in now my 1/2 cup of dark chocolate chunks. You can make sure that those are vegan, but most dark chocolate is vegan. You can use a 1/4 cup of walnuts instead if you don't like chocolate, but this is really good with the chocolate chunks, so I would highly recommend putting the chocolate chunks in this recipe. So I'm going to make sure those are nicely folded in, and I've preheated my oven to 350 degrees. Now I'm going to bake it for 35 to 40 minutes. And just like that, it is ready. We're pulling that hot out of the oven. You can 100% eat this fresh, hot out of the oven. That is the absolute best way to eat it, but it does make great leftovers as well. So I'm going to start dishing out a nice, good size slice of this banana bread baked oatmeal. Look how ooey gooey, chocolatey, and delicious that is. Yum. Okay, time for the taste test. That is so good. Chef's kiss. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you want to see more videos like this one, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.